In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown timer to your sales page using Systeme.io. Countdown timers are a fantastic way to create a sense of urgency and can help boost conversions on your landing pages or order forms. So, let's dive in and get started with adding this powerful feature to your toolkit. The first thing you'll want to do is open your favorite web browser and head over to the Systeme.io website. If you haven't already signed up, go ahead and create a free account. It's pretty straightforward. Just follow the prompts and you'll be ready to go in no time. Once you've got your account set up, log in to access your dashboard. After logging in, navigate to the Funnels tab on your Systeme.io dashboard. This area is where you manage all the different pages and sales funnels you have set up. From the list of funnels, select the one you want to work on, whether it's a sales page or an order form, and then click on Edit Page to open the editing interface. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a panel filled with various elements that you can add to your page. Scroll down through these elements until you find Countdown. This is the feature we'll be focusing on today. Once you've found it, simply drag and drop the countdown timer element to your desired location on the page. A popular choice is to place it near the top where it's most visible to visitors. When you've positioned the countdown on your page, go ahead and click on it. This will bring up the countdown settings in the left-hand panel, allowing you to customize the timer to fit your needs. You'll notice that you have 3 types of countdown timers to choose from: fixed time and date, delay, and daily. Each option offers different functionalities and can serve different purposes, so choose the one that aligns best with your campaign goals. Next, it's important to decide what action you want to occur when the countdown reaches 0. You have a couple of options here. You can choose for nothing to happen, or you might want to redirect your visitors to another page, perhaps with a special offer or additional information. And there you have it. You've successfully added a countdown timer to your sales page using Systeme.io. Remember, the key with a countdown is to make the most of that sense of urgency to drive engagement and action from your potential customers. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and feel free to explore other elements and features within Systeme.io to enhance your pages even further. Thanks for watching, and happy funnel building!